The best way to make someone regret losing you is to say nothing. Not silence out of weakness, but silence rooted in self-respect, emotional strength, and inner peace. Because real power isn't loud. Real power is calm, controlled, and unbothered. If you've been searching for how to make someone regret losing you, or wondering how to move on silently after a breakup, this is your answer. You don't chase closure, you become it. You don't beg for attention, you become unforgettable. You don't prove your worth, you embody it. People don't miss you when you leave. They miss you when they realize no one like you is coming back. And that realization, it hits harder when you've already mastered emotional detachment and stepped fully into your glow-up mindset. So if you're ready to learn how to make your ex miss you without contact, how to heal in silence, and how to step into your personal growth journey, here are 7 silent ways to make someone regret losing you without saying a single word. 1. Stay silent, but evolve loudly. If you want to know the real secret behind how to glow up after heartbreak, it starts in silence. No announcements, no revenge posts, no explanations, just growth. Stay quiet, but let your results speak loudly. Let your self-improvement become the message they never expected. Disappear not because you're broken, but because you're upgrading. This is how you shift into mental toughness and build a life that reflects confidence after breakup. Reappear as peace. Reappear as power. Because nothing makes someone regret losing you more than watching you become everything they said you couldn't be. This is the true meaning of healing in silence. No validation, no noise, just transformation. And trust this, your silence will speak louder than any revenge ever could. 2. Detach with grace, not anger. If you're wondering how to detach emotionally and be strong, this is where it begins. Not with anger, not with bitterness, but with grace. You don't prove your worth by staying where you're not valued. You prove it by walking away, gracefully. Because emotional detachment isn't about not caring, it's about choosing yourself. Silence after betrayal is not weakness. It is self-respect at its highest level. When you stop reacting, you start regaining control. And when you walk away without explaining yourself, your peace explains everything. Sometimes the calmest goodbye creates the loudest echo. This is how you activate true silent power, not by arguing, not by chasing, but by letting go with dignity. 3. Focus on becoming unreachable. If you really want to master how to make your ex miss you without contact, you must become unavailable. Not for games, but for your growth. Be so focused on your inner peace that they can no longer access your energy. Because access is earned, not given. When you become emotionally unavailable, they suddenly start remembering your value. Why? Because distance creates desire, and silence creates respect. This is the foundation of the no contact rule. No texts, no checking in, no chasing. Just you, leveling up quietly. Not replying is sometimes the most powerful reply. And while they're wondering what you're doing, you're building a life they can't be part of anymore. That's how you win. 4. Let time do the talking. If you've ever asked yourself, will they regret losing me? The answer is simple. Time will reveal everything. Time exposes what words cannot. You don't need to convince anyone of your worth. Time will do that for you. One day, they will realize losing you was their biggest mistake. But by then, you'll already be deep into your personal growth journey. And here's the truth most people ignore. Regret hits hardest when you no longer care. Not when you're chasing, not when you're hurting, but when you've moved on and found peace without them. Let them see your absence fix what your presence couldn't. That silence, it becomes unforgettable. 5. Level up emotionally, not publicly. A real glow-up isn't loud. it's internal. If you're serious about how to focus on self-growth after a breakup, you need to shift inward. Stop trying to prove anything online. Start building something within. Because peaceful detachment is the most powerful glow-up you'll ever experience. Evolve so silently that people only hear about your growth through others. That's real power. Your emotional strength will outlast any words you could ever say. And your confidence after breakup will become something they can't ignore. Winning isn't proving them wrong. Winning is outgrowing the need to prove anything at all. That's when you step into true self-respect. 6. Let karma handle what you don't. One of the biggest mistakes people make when trying to figure out how to make someone regret losing you is chasing revenge. But revenge lowers your energy. Growth elevates it. Don't wish them pain, wish them clarity, because clarity will show them everything they lost. Life has a quiet way of teaching people lessons we don't need to explain. You don't chase revenge, you trust the process. You trust that the universe will restore balance. And while they're learning their lesson, you're building your peace. The peace you protect will always speak louder than the pain they caused. That's real emotional strength. 7. Keep moving forward without looking back. If you want the final answer to how to move on silently after a breakup, it's this: keep moving, forward only. No looking back, no revisiting old emotions, no reopening closed doors. Because regret doesn't follow the one who leaves, it follows the one who stays behind. Keep walking, keep growing, keep becoming the version of yourself that no longer tolerates less than they deserve. The right people will never need to lose you to understand your value. So let go gracefully, grow quietly, glow naturally. Because the strongest revenge is becoming genuinely happy again. They lost you, and that's on them. You didn't lose anything. You gained clarity, you gained strength, you gained yourself. You healed, you evolved, you found peace. And that's something no one can take away from you. So if you're on this journey of self-improvement, if you're learning how to build inner peace and stepping into your confidence after breakup, keep going. Because calmness is power, silence is strength, and your glow-up is inevitable.